People who like YouTube in Bangkok might recognize this. This is where Pete, Irish Times, used to hang out. And he did a couple of interviews here and he always did his introductions here. Good afternoon. I'm here in Sukhumvit Soi 23 and today I'm going to show you a building which is called the Edge. Today I'm going to show you 3 sales units, 3 2-bedroom units that we have here on some of the top floors. So let's go and have a look. So this is a corner unit here on the northeastern corner of the building, and the size is 62.2 square meters and the sales price is 16.5 million baht. Yeah, these units have never been lived in. The views are absolutely stunning. This is on the 33rd floor. Space to put a closet. So this is the second unit that I want to show you today, and as you can see, this one has never been rented out, never been sold, and it's still in the plastic. It still has all the paper on the window. So this one is 16.6 million Thai baht, but this price is only valid until the end of December, because then there's going to be a transfer, then the price will go up. And this is 64 square meters. It's on the 34th floor. on the southeastern corner. Again, great views. If you have vertigo, then I'm very sorry. So this unit has 2 bedrooms, so there is one bigger bedroom and a small one here in the beginning. So this small bedroom doesn't have a private bathroom. So there is a shared bathroom in here. The electricity is not on, so I cannot show you everything in the perfect light. Yeah, so what happens with this one is that the unit is, how we call it, before transfer. So you can get it for a better price. Let me show you a bit in here. So it's a bit dark. So I have one more unit that I want to show you before I will show you the facilities. That unit is a lot cheaper, but that's because it's facing Soi Cowboy. So this is the 3rd unit that I want to show you today, and this is the smallest and also the one with the best price. This one is 60.2 square meters and the sales price is 14.7 million baht. So we are here on the lower floor that has an influence on the price, and as well there is a construction down here, and this one is facing Soi Cowboy. So it's a different location, a bit more noise. So the last 2 units that I showed you, the prices are valid until the 25th of December, and this is because they are before transfer. So if you can make it before Christmas, then it will be fine. After that, the price will go up because there are taxes to be paid by the owner. Look over the swimming pool. Okay, so let me bring you to the swimming pool and the rest of the facilities. So first we have the swimming pool here. Yeah, just to give a bit of a background information, you might think, why is there a blocked view here? So basically the designer made a mistake, and the swimming pool was supposed to be a few meters higher so that they would have a better view overlooking this building next door. But unfortunately they miscalculated. Still a very nice swimming pool, still a nice view from here. Let me show you the fitness room, which is upstairs. Fully air conditioned. So there is one more part of the facilities on the top floor. I think a lot of people don't know that to get there you need to take the service elevator. There is a common room So let's go and have a look. Here on the 36th floor, you have the library or the common room. And people who like YouTube in Bangkok might recognize this. This is where Pete, Irish Times, used to hang out before he went back to Ireland. And he did a couple of interviews here, and he always did his introductions here. So you have a nice view of the whole area. So if you own an apartment here or if you're renting, you are free to use these facilities. Nice view of the swimming pool. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Edge 23 in Sukhumvit Soi 23. If you're interested in purchasing one of these apartments, feel free to send me an email. You can send me an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com. I will leave all the contact details of my business here in the description. If you enjoyed this update and you like updates about Bangkok in general, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.